Good morning, welcome to this next video, and it's actually the last in this small series. In fact, it's not the last because I'll probably do more. It's number 4 in the series of artists and styles. The artist I'm doing now is Helen Frankenthaler. I hope I got that right, it's probably so badly wrong. And she is an abstract painter who uses, in this instance that I'm going to be testing, soak stain as a style of painting that she uses. I've got her out of when I first got into AI art, I bought loads of books, and that's one of them, this book. So I like to go in here and find an artist and see if the style affects images. So we'll go back to create. I'm going to remove, I'll leave art by Helen Frankenthaler. Remove manga and anime. Remove psychedelic color scheme. A cube made of water. Yeah, okay, so that's the basic one. So noise weight back to 50. Stable diffusion beta. Overall prompt weight 80%. Right, let's see what we get from this. Now it's kind of like, if I look in the book, the images should look like paint that's been kind of spilled and kind of watery kind of type feel to it. Like there, see, yeah, okay, so it seems to work. That kind of stuff. It looks like the paint's been spilled. Yeah, it's in the right ballpark, I would say. So let's go back to the prompt. Now it's abstract painting. So I'll add it all at the start. Abstract painting. And I'm going to add soak stain. Soak stain. In fact, I'll put that at the beginning, because it's quite, that is the style. So we'll put that there. Soak stain, comma. Right, let's see what happens this time. Leave everything the same. Yeah. See where we get to this time. But it is quite close. You know, some of these are close already. Which, this is the thing as well, it's a bit confusing because I've never heard of this woman, and she was, when was she? So she was an artist in the 50s. So you wouldn't really expect, oh well, it's just random what it's been trained on, I guess. Let's have a look. That's weird. Yeah, that's it. That's very similar to the images in the book with regards to the paints running into each other. So it looks good to me. So let's try see if art in the style of, see that might, we're already getting good results, so we don't really need to change it. I'm just curious to see if we'll get results as good as any of these ones. That first one's a bit weird. I'll just make that. I get annoyed if, like, it's not a single image. See, I like that one there. when I go to my creations. Yeah, I'll fix that later. So what did we get? Art in the style of. Let me just magnify this page somewhat, and then we can look at art by and art in the style of. There, these two. I'd say the style of is better. They're very, very similar though, aren't they? So, you know, that's, I don't know what this is, but this, see how it's all the stain, paper staining, the paint staining, that's really spot on. That's spot on. Look at the back wall, that's the best one so far, I think. They're nice. Weird, why has it done that? I like that one. So I'll just up it. And this is just for my, I just like to upscale stuff so I can look at them in a bit more detail. But yeah, it looks like she works. And it picked up on her straight away just with her name, so you could get really good results with her style if you really went in and had, you know, if you, like in this book, like it's great for keywords and stuff. I've even used things like if it says that it's in the in a gallery somewhere in Paris or London, I've put that in and that helped. So yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff. But yeah, so it looks like Helen Frankenthaler works. Abstract painting and soak stain. Okay, cool. If you guys have got any particular artist that you want me to do, or a style, just let me know in the comments on the YouTube channel. But apart from that, that's me. That's it done. Great talking to you as always. Don't forget to subscribe and get notifications on when new videos will be released. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.